Welcome my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe. And this is our English second paper class of class 6, and I am with you Mahim Sultana, assistant teacher English, Government Laboratory School, Rajshahi. Now my dear students, look at the picture and answer the questions. What is the old man doing? The old man is walking. What is the man doing? The man is walking. Now the question is the two walking are same? How is the old man walking? The old man is walking slowly. And how is the man walking? The man is walking quickly. So, the old man is walking slowly. Can you tell which one is noun in this sentence? Man. Man is noun in this sentence. And can you tell which one is adjective in this sentence? Old. Old is adjective in this sentence because we know that adjective clarifies the noun and sits just before the noun. Can you tell which ones are verbs in this sentence? Is and walking are verbs in this sentence. Then the rest of the one slowly. What is slowly? Can you tell the name of the parts of speech of the word slowly? This is adverb. So my dear students, our today's lesson is adverb, and I think that we need 2 classes to complete this subject matter adverb, because I want to make you understand adverb very easily and deeply, so that you can face no difficulties about to understand adverb or to use adverb or with make sentences with adverb. So after completing this lesson, you will be able to identify adverbs, make sentences with adverbs, use suitable adverbs in sentences, write about a person using adverb. Now look at the pictures, give the answers of the following questions. How are the girls reading their English for today book? The girls are reading their English for today book silently. And how is the boy reading their English for today book? The boy is reading their English for today book loudly. Here are another pictures. How is the chicken eating? And how is the frog jumping? The chicken is eating slowly and the frog is jumping quickly. So these are adverbs. You can understand that these are adverbs. Here are also 2 pictures. How is the team celebrating the victory? The team is celebrating the victory cheerfully, happily, delightfully. And how is the team leaving the field? The team is leaving the field sadly or sorrowfully. These are also adverbs. Now look at the pictures. Can you answer the question? How are the people crossing the road? And how are the people crossing the road? Answer: the people are crossing the road unsafely. And here the people are crossing the road safely. So these are also adverbs. Now I am showing you another adverbs. Here is also some pictures. How are the students reading? The students are reading silently. How are the students learning computers? The students are learning computers eagerly. How are they playing? They are playing happily. The girl is sleeping comfortably. So my dear students, notice one thing, that These all are verbs before the adverb. Now the frog is jumping quickly. Can you tell which word is modified by the word quickly? Here the word quickly modifies the verb jump. So an adverb describes or modifies or qualifies a verb. What I am trying to understand you that here all the adverbs are modifying the verb. In all the examples that I have given before, or in all the examples, the adverb modifies the verb. So here the word quickly is adverb, and this adverb modifies the verb jump. Now can anyone give an example? Yes, I know you can. So one thing is clear to us that an adverb modifies the verb. So what is adverb? If I ask this question to you, the answer will be adverb is parts of speech which modifies the verb, the adjective, and sometimes the adverb also, sometimes another adverb also. So in all this example today we see that the adverb modifies the verb, but the adverb also modifies adjective and adverb also, and we will see the examples in our next session. Here most adverbs are mainly, or generally adverbs are mainly adding ly in the with the adjective silent, silently, happy, happily. And look here, happy, when any word have y, then if it is turned into adverb, then the y will be omitted, and in that place I is replaced and ly is added, then it will turn into a adverb. Now here is a task for you. Read the following passage and find out the adverb. You have to find out the adverb from this passage. I am helping you to find out the answers. Very, attentively, gently, well, so, very, and much. These are the answers. Now here is a homework for you. Think about your friend and write the answers of the following question. You have to write a paragraph using this clue. How good is your friend? How meritorious is your friend? How gentle is she? How kind is she? You just answer this question using this adverb. Okay, then it will be a paragraph, and at the same time you will learn to describe a person using adverb. And now my dear students, it's time to say goodbye to you. This was our today's lesson, and I hope you understand it easily and clearly, and I will discuss in our next class rest of the rules of adverbs, or more about adverbs, to make you understand the subject matter more clearly. So no more today. Everybody stay safe, stay stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks to all.